What's up guys, I am back, and in the last video, it's probably still uploading, I died. I got 13 pieces of iron and I've made rubbish progress basically. Yeah, rubbish progress. So, I'm going to try and make better progress, and this is not good. I think I heard an Enderman. And in the last video I got 2 broken bows. Well, half broken at least. And in the last video I died because of a creeper. I hate creepers. I'm going to call them creepies now. That's how much I hate. Oh! Thank you actually. It's exactly the same cave. Yes, thank you a lot. I'm going to get lots of iron. I'm going to get 24 pieces of iron, 16 so far. I can't be bothered to get the rest. I'm sure I'm going to find some more. When I mean more, a lot. I just died a skeleton. Boosha. Boosha, boosha, boosha. Don't know what I'm talking in. Whatever it is, it's crazy talk. Well, this is where I had the skeleton. I'm just... Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Kill him! Oh yes, I killed him. Before he killed me. At least. Can't believe I just got shot by a creeper though. Or I just got shot by a skeleton when I died later. Or earlier in our last video. And because like the skeleton shot me into the creeper. So they like both had teamwork. It's like they was teaming up on me. Where's my dog gone? Well, if he's dead, I've got 2 more bones. Yeah, he was easy to tame. Some iron. I'm collecting iron. I'm collecting iron, 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 iron. Yum. Very good iron makes some tools. Very good iron makes some stuff. Very good iron makes me stuff. I like iron, so do you. Iron, 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 iron. I think iron's better than diamonds. I do. But the game judges it as no. Diamonds are more precious than iron. But of course, diamonds would just break if you just hit it, wouldn't it? Oh no. I hear a skeleton and a zombie. I just want to hide in a hole. A little hole. Yay! Nobody can see me here. I don't know why, because nobody can get down here. Or nobody could get up here. Halfway there. Yay, I got up. Woohoo, I got up for once. In a lifetime I got up. Boom, boom, boom. Just gonna cook some food. Booba, doosha, loosha, boosha, bada boosh. I eat that straight away. No, I wanna eat. I love eating. Quick. iron shovel? Wow. That is just not fair. He had an iron shovel. An iron shovel. Just how? Just not fair. Just not fair. For once, I found something good. And then, it's just like, no. Just not having it. Just unacceptable. Ooh, yay. Another cave. Which hopefully is better. Less googlies. Why am I doing this with a pickaxe? Well, who cares? Yay. All I want now is a blacksmith. What just happened there? Oh yeah, you want to get me? You want to get me, you have to chase me out. Oh, are you scared? You can't get me, can you? Die! No mercy. Skelly boom. Skelly boom. Or poop. There's a creeper. I'm going to try and go round him. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Good circle go like do shot. That was not good. Don't worry, I've got no rotten flesh. Just ill. Don't know how dogs like rotten flesh and we hate it. Well, we hate dog food and they love it. It's just strange. Really strange. But why would somebody like rotten flesh? Even if he was a dog, who would like rotten flesh? Certainly if I was a dog, I would hate rotten flesh. Might have food poisoning or something. I don't even know. I'm collecting sugarcane, I'm collecting sugarcane, yippee. This is wheat. Looks exactly like wheat. Ooh, I wonder what happens if the sheep goes in. I do. It's gonna be like a... No! Where's my dog gone? Rest in peace, doggy, dog, buddy, whatever your name is. That's why I don't name dogs. They just die. They do something stupid. Not saying they are, but they do. Do you know how long that took me to get that dog? That took me half an hour or something like that. That's why you never should name dogs. It's too emotional. And people like have funerals for it or something like that. Just so weird. Dogs are just weird. this iron. They should add backpacks. Yay. Oh no. It's gonna break. No, as soon as like I mine something else, I bet it's gonna break. 2 rooms left. Sorry, that is all. Okay, I really want to end this video, but I can't because I'm in the middle of one. Wanna fly? Wanna go into creative? At least I don't need to be careful because of my dog. This is in heaven. Oh. If a dog respawned in there, it would just be the best day ever. Boosha, boosha, doosha, boosha. I'm gonna end this video now, and I will see you in another video. Bye!